The largest glass curtain wall projected currently in Russia. Glass size, 14,600 2,680 mm, nearly 5 floors. Wireless remote control flip plus rotate function, fine-tune every angle with smooth, controlled movement at extreme heights. Independent suction cup modules, 14 suction groups, each independently controlled for maximum adaptability and safety. 5 seconds delayed deflation, an extra 5 seconds of control. This means an extra layer of protection for both people and projects. When the final panel was securely set into the frame. Even in -5°C Moscow weather, the team's hands were warm from tension, focus, and finally, relief. Applause broke out on site.